Jada Kingdom is happy she no longer has to hide and sing Shenseea songs. Full story coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Now, if you know anything about Jada Kingdom, you know that Jada Kingdom loves speak her mind, whether that's good or bad. And in this instance, I think it's a good thing she has said. This one is good. You see me? So Jada Kingdom made a tweet and she had something to say about Shenseea's song. Just like how all the other times when she have bad things to say, she said and she called names. She not grown come round. And we have to respect Jada for that, whether or not you like her or like that. You see me and say, you have to respect the fact that she does talk out and tell you how it go. So, I just going to show you the tweet where she make, and then we just discuss a little bit. So Jada tweet and Jada say, due to how me glad say me can stop hide my mouth and sing along to Shenseea song them when me go out. Right? And this was yesterday. You can see the date and it's August 12, 2020, and it says Twitter for iPhone. Right? So this is legit. And we all know that Jada and Shenseea are cool right now. We don't know if them are best of friends and visit each other or whatever, but them follow each other on social media and thing. And you know, now she made this tweet. Now, the big question I want to ask, anybody surprised that Jada did sing to Shenseea song them? Because I'm not really surprised. I know all of them artists that were going like them are the biggest of enemies. They must hear each other's song. And just like any other human being, if you hear something over and over, it start play upon your psyche. You see what I say? I feel like I see same thing. Everywhere Jada go, Jada hear Shenseea song, and everywhere Shenseea go, Shenseea hear Jada song. There's only few songs in dancehall. And when I say that, I mean like there's just a handful of hot song where you know say I go play constantly. Like right now, if you go anywhere, you go hear Coffee Lockdown, right? That's one of the songs you can expect for hear. You look forward to hear them song as a matter of fact. You see me? Jada have Win and them song they out. You know what I mean? Shenseea have couple songs as well. And couple other people have couple songs. But you listen for hear them song. You see me? So that's what I mean by that. But more on getting to the comment section and answer the question there for me like, is it surprising that she was singing to Shenseea's song? No, we have to give Jada extra credit because she admit to it and she not really playing a big, hypocrite, even though she got a boom and in the past she may have said some things about Shenseea and whatever. We never really hear she attack Shenseea as any kind of person when I have no talent or nothing. If we hear that, I want to hear she have bash Shenseea and I say, yo, Shenseea music no good or anything like that, you know, tell me. I thought it was always a personal thing and about personality. I don't really want to dig up what the problem was, but remember times when Jada went live and I say, yo, Shenseea change up on her and Shenseea different now, another Shenseea that way she used to know and used to be friends with. As a matter of fact, she did call Shenseea correct name and I say, that's the person she was friends with. She's not friends with the Shenseea person. You see me? But all of that is in the past and behind them now. And we're glad to see the two ladies them are move forward and I move, mature, so to speak, and may I have to give them props for that. So big up these ladies for putting their differences aside and moving forward. You see me? So people get in the comment section, tell me what you feel about this one. And if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, thank you for watching. For all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here and making the thing work. So thank you for watching and you have a blessed day and night or whatever time of day it is, wherever you at.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.